Alright guys, I'm going to be teaching you today the most popular flourish of them all, which is the spring. So spring, very popular move out there. We do it with extremely beautiful cards like these beautiful regalias with the golden back. They look really cool. I'm also going to be teaching you another variation, the tabletop spring, where they sort of spread out as you spring them, which is really cool too, and I love all of these versions. They look absolutely beautiful. I'm not sure if you can absolutely see that yet, but wait. There you go, that's a tabletop spring. And all of these look really, really nice. So I'm not going to change the angle or anything, just going to get rid of all the gimmicked cards. So, because in this pack you get a few gimmicks. Well, not gimmicks, gaffs, sorry, should I say. There we go, we can get rid of these. So you're going to use an absolutely normal deck of 54, 52 playing cards, doesn't matter. And you want to just grab them with your thumb on the bottom left corner, and your middle finger on top right, and you're going to apply pressure. Now these two fingers here are going to aid the middle finger, the ring finger and the index. They're going to aid the middle one. Just push down, and you're going to release one card at a time, like that. Now some people, they actually spring like this. I can't do that, where they bend it with their whole hand, and they just bend it, but I can never ever do that. So I just do this one, which I always find a lot easier. In case you didn't know, Dynamo springs cards like this, which I can't do, so you know, that's another thing Dynamo can do that I can't. Yeah, anyway, that spring is quite easy, so remember, you're just applying pressure. Now to catch the cards, your hand's going to be positioned like this, and what I do is I spring a few cards before my hand goes up, because otherwise, you can see when I'm going to do it, your hand's got to stay completely straight. Now if your hand stays like this, it's all going to glide away, and if you do this in mid-air, like that. Now by the end of this tutorial you're going to expect to have cards all over the floor, so use a worn-in deck. You can do this with any pack of cards, but I like to do it with a smooth, brand new pack, so there's not much to wait for really. You can do it with any pack, so long as it's around about 50 cards. Okay? So you're going to grab it again, apply pressure, and let go. This is really not that hard, and for the tabletop spring, two ways. You can either put your hand here and do the spring, but don't put your hand down. If you angle your hand towards the actual table, you can't actually spring them. It's going to be like that. Which sort of works, but if you want to do it on a long distance, it's not going to work. It's going to be like that, and you don't want that to happen. That happens, see? That happens when you do that, okay? Just saying.